இளமையில் நாம் செய்ய நினைத்ததை முதுமையில் செய்ய இயலுமே என்று வாருங்கள் வாருங்கள் நண்பர்களே, கூடுங்கள் கேளுங்கள் நண்பர்களே. கோவைவானில் ஒன்றாய் கூடி சிந்திப்போம், கேட்போம், மகிழ்வோம். சிந்திப்போம், கேட்போம், மகிழ்வோம்.
This podcast is brought to you as a joint initiative between Anubhav, the National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, and Media for Community Foundation. Project coordinators Dr. R. Sridhar and Alok Verma. Radio coordinators Pooja Murada, Kaushalya and Sai Sudha. Producers Kovai Vani, Kovai Care Retirement Communities. If you are a senior citizen and need help, contact our Elder Helpline 14567 between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. We promise to help you lead a better life. I repeat, 14567 between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m.
வணக்கம்.
My name is Captain Rajkumar. I am a resident of Kovai Chinmayam in Annur. Talking about love life goes way back. I actually met my wife as a college student in a naval base in Cochin. My father was a naval officer and her father was also a naval officer. So when I went on leave, I was used to study in Madras, and when I went to Cochin for a holiday, I met her there, and then we started becoming friends and we continued our friendship. Slowly, yes, we got serious and said, yes, we will get married at a later date, but I needed to stand on my own legs. So later I went and joined the army. I became a commissioned officer. After I joined my regiment, and at the age of 22 and a half, I got the message that her father was looking for a bridegroom for her. So she had sent me a mail. In those days, we didn't have mobile phones and messages. So then I started taking this seriously. So one day I directly went to the house, and I'd already briefed my wife saying that I will be asking your father. Okay, if he does not agree, then you should be ready to come out and we will anyway get married. Okay. And I'd already informed my regiment also that I'm going to do this, because in army we are supposed to tell senior officers what we do. So I said, I am going to do this. So I went to Delhi and met her father. And before I asked him what happened in Delhi was, since we had decided to get married, I said, you come with your birth certificate. I will take you to the registrar office. So in Delhi, I took her to the registrar office and we registered. After that, I went to their house and told him that, yes, I am interested in your daughter. So he was shocked and surprised. He asked me to give him a day, and then later he said, yeah, we are okay if your parents agree. I went to meet my parents who are in Bombay, but my mother was very, very against this. But I said, no, I will do it in any case. So then later on we agreed, and then we got married. Okay, and that was in the year 1975. And we're still married. We have got a son. Okay, we've grown up, and he himself is married and 2 grandkids. So that is my love life with a lot of excitement. It was just like the movie Dilwala Dulhaniya Le Jayega. After I left the army, I joined sales and marketing and traveled around the world. Wherever I'm in the world, I will send a flowers on a birthday. I will send flowers on anniversary. I will send flowers on Valentine's Day. So I'll end it with saying love is a many splendid thing. Thank you very much.
இந்த வலையொலி அனுபவ், தேசிய சமூக பாதுகாப்பு நிறுவனம், சமூக நீதி மற்றும் அதிகாரமளித்தல் அமைச்சகம் மற்றும் மீடியா ஃபார் கம்யூனிட்டி ஃபவுண்டேஷன் இவர்களின் கூட்டு முயற்சியாக உங்களிடம் கொண்டு வரப்பட்டது. திட்ட ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர்கள் டாக்டர் ஆர் ஸ்ரீதர் மற்றும் ஆலோக் வர்மா அவர்கள். வானொலி ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர்கள் பூஜா முராடா, கௌசல்யா மற்றும் சாய் சுதா அவர்கள். தயாரிப்பாளர்கள் கோவை வாணி, கோவை கேர் ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட் கம்யூனிட்டிஸ். நீங்கள் ஒரு மூத்த குடிமகனாக இருந்து உதவி தேவைப்பட்டால் எங்கள் எல்டர்லைன் ஹெல்ப் லைனை தொலைபேசி எண் 145667 இல் தொடர்பு கொள்ளவும். காலை 8 மணி முதல் இரவு 8 மணி வரை ஒரு சிறந்த வாழ்க்கையை வாழ உங்களுக்கு உதவி செய்ய நாங்கள் உறுதி அளிக்கிறோம். மறுபடியும் கேளுங்கள். தொலைபேசி எண் 145667 காலை 8 மணி முதல் இரவு 8 மணி வரை.
That's all for today, folks. Be safe. Fight COVID with 2 vaccinations. Wear a mask when you go out. Keep safe distance. Observe proper hygiene. We must win. We will win. Thank you.